Imagine cruising down an open road where every head turns. Not because of speed or noise, but because what you're riding looks like it came straight out of the future. This stunning metallic tricycle RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving piece of art, a tiny home, and a dream on 3 wheels. From the moment you see its shiny metal skin reflecting the sky and surroundings, you instantly know this is something special. It doesn't blend in, it stands out, and it does so with confidence. What makes this tricycle RV so fascinating is how it combines bold design with smart living. The metallic body isn't just for looks. It's tough, durable, and built to handle long journeys while still looking futuristic and clean. The curves are smooth, the edges are sharp in all the right places, and the overall shape feels like it's gliding even when it's standing still. It's the kind of design that makes you stop scrolling and lean closer to the screen. Now let's talk about the 3-wheel setup, because this is where things get really interesting. Unlike traditional RVs that feel bulky and intimidating, this tricycle RV feels nimble and adventurous. The single front wheel gives it a motorcycle-like vibe, while the 2 rear wheels provide stability and balance. It's the perfect mix of freedom and comfort. You're not just driving, you're riding, exploring, and truly connecting with the road ahead. Step inside, and you'll be shocked by how much fits into such a compact space. Every inch is carefully planned. The interior continues the metallic theme but balances it with warm textures and smart lighting, creating a cozy atmosphere that feels surprisingly spacious. There's a comfortable sleeping area that transforms with ease, a compact kitchen that has everything you need for life on the road, and clever storage spaces hidden where you least expect them. It's proof that small doesn't mean limited. One of the most exciting parts of this metallic tricycle RV is the lifestyle it represents. This isn't about parking in crowded RV parks or being tied to one place. This is about freedom. Imagine waking up by a quiet lake, cooking breakfast while the morning light reflects off the metal walls, then hopping back on the road without hassle. It's minimalism with style, adventure with comfort, and travel without compromise. And let's not forget the eco-friendly potential. With its lightweight design and efficient build, this tricycle RV uses less fuel than traditional RVs. Some versions even support solar panels, allowing you to power your lights, charge your devices, and live off-grid for longer. It's not just cool, it's smart and future-focused. What really makes this metallic tricycle RV unforgettable is how it changes the way people see travel. It challenges the idea that you need something big to live big. It proves that innovation, creativity, and smart design can turn a small 3-wheel vehicle into a full-time home on the move. Everywhere it goes, it sparks curiosity, conversations, and inspiration. So if you've ever dreamed of escaping the ordinary, of living life on your own terms, and of owning something that feels truly unique, this stunning metallic tricycle RV might just be the answer. It's not just a ride, it's a statement. And once you see it, you won't stop thinking about where it could take you next.